You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words. I know they confuse a lot of people, but let's go through. You'll see that it's actually pretty straightforward once you know. The top word here is pronounced as headache. Head-ek. When you have a pain in your head, head pain, headache, stress on the first syllable. When you have a pain in the stomach or the belly, it's pronounced stomachache. Stomachache.
Stomachache.
Yes, that's Google's pronunciation here, and it's actually correct for once. It's not always correct. Stomachache. So headache, not headache, headache, and stomachache, not stomachache. Headache, stomachache. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.